Hello everyone, it's Rob DeFilippi, Bentley Truck Services, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, Essington Avenue, right near the airport. Okay, today I'm standing in front of an interesting truck. 2026 Isuzu NRR Gas truck, 19.5 GVW, V8 gas engine, Allison transmission behind that engine, okay? Truck's got a 12-foot trash body on it. We'll go around the truck in a minute and I'll show it to you. It's also got a fancy toolbox on there. It also has a basket on top so you can store tools, shovels, whatever you need to put in there. There's an electric tarp on this truck, as you can see. Okay, the tarp will go over the can. I'm gonna back up a little bit so you can see it. Barn doors in the back. Okay, this truck has a ramp. What's nice about this ramp is the ramp is in the center of the truck. Okay, some of these trash trucks have the ramp on the side. This one's in the center. Okay, this truck is available for sale. It just came in. It's ready to go. Oh, one more thing. It's got this nice container here so you can put your garbage cans. Okay, as you're pulling trash out of a house or whatever, and you need to store those garbage cans somewhere, that's where they go. Okay, as I said, this truck's available, ready to go. Rob DeFilippi, Bentley Truck Services. Thank you very much.